In this video, we'll walk through the steps to create your Untitled ID tag and install it on your Shopify website. There are three main steps that we need to complete. First, turning on the cookie consent bar in your Shopify site. Next, updating your privacy policy to include information about the ID tag. And finally, updating the code of your Shopify site to include your Untitled ID tag. First, sign into your Untitled account and navigate from the home page to the tags page on the left-hand side and create a new tag. You'll want to give this tag a name that's descriptive of where it's going to go. So in this case, we'll use the name Untitled Shopify Site and click Continue. Many of our customers just have one tag in their account. It's important that your visitors consent to cookie collection and that you update your privacy policy to be compliant with the Untitled ID tag. To do that, navigate to your Shopify site and then navigate down to Settings. Within the settings, search for Privacy, select Customer Privacy, and within the Cookie Banner section, turn off the automated settings and ensure that you are including the recommended regions. Search for United States and add all of the states. Click Done and save the changes, and now you've enabled the cookie banner on your website. Next, click Privacy Policy to update it and include information about the ID tag. Turn off the automated policy and scroll down to the bottom and title the section something like Untitled AI Privacy Policy. We've already written out a privacy policy that covers the usage of the Untitled pixel, so all you have to do is copy the policy from your Untitled account, navigate back to Shopify, paste this, click Save, and now you've updated your privacy policy. Now we're going to add the actual ID tag code to your website. Return to the Untitled account, scroll down here, and agree that you have set up your cookie consent and privacy policy appropriately. Click Create Tag. The Untitled ID tag is this little line of code that you need to install on your website in the header section. This way, the tag is included in every page that your website visitors view. Right-click here and copy this code, making sure to include the entire line. Now, go back to your Shopify site's main admin page. Click on Line Store, Themes, and Customize. Now click these three dots and click Edit Code. That opens a new tab that has all of your website code. On the left-hand side, you should see a file called theme.liquid. Click that to open the code. You want the tag to fire on every page load of your site so that you can track visitors as they move around your website, add products to cart, check out, and view other pages. Below the line that says Head, hit Enter, and paste the script code of the tag. Click Save, and that's it. Now you can close that tab and go back to your Untitled account and view the ID tag, but you don't need to do anything else to make the tag start working for you. Once you've installed the tag, allow up to 1 hour before your visitor data starts being captured. After that, the ID tag will update about every 15 minutes with new visitors who have visited your site and are automatically resolved or identified by the Untitled code. Remember, not every visitor will show up in your visitor table, and if your site is brand new, it may take some time before many visitors appear in the table. As you capture the email addresses, names, and other information of the visitors to your site, that's when you can start to do the exciting work of creating audiences, adding destinations, and using that customer data to reach out to the right people at the right time with the right offer and increase the effectiveness of your advertising. Make sure to bookmark your Untitled account page in your web browser and return back to check on your visitor table at least a few days a week to watch your audience grow.